what does it mean to have a seat at the table, to be heard, to be recognized, to shape your own future with dignity, autonomy, and equal voice? Unfortunately, for millions around the world, that seat is still missing. Global decision-making is dominated by a few states and elites. Countless nations and peoples are excluded. Yet, they resist. They defend their political rights, their culture, land, and identity. They dream of justice. In the late 1980s, four leaders, Linnart Mal of the Estonian Congress, Lodi Gary of Tibet, Erkan Alptekin of the Uyghur people, and Michael van Walt van Praag, legal advisor to the Dalai Lama, imagined a new international organization, one for peoples denied a voice in global decisions at the UN. That vision became UNPO, the Unrepresented Nations and Peoples Organization. Founded in 1991 by 12 peoples from different parts of the world, the UNPO was created by and for those it represents. Since then, it has served over 115 nations and peoples, advocating for dignity, democracy, and self-determination. Today, the UNPO represents over 300 million people across the world, and it works for a future where all communities can shape their destinies. Through research, training, and advocacy, the UNPO amplifies voices that are too often ignored. The organization supports self-determination as a process that empowers peoples to shape their political, cultural, environmental, and economic futures. We have successfully contributed to peaceful, democratic outcomes in many occasions, such as Estonia, Timor-Leste, or Bougainville. We have facilitated dialogue in conflict-affected regions like Nagaland, the Chittagong Hill Tracts, while supporting environmental justice in West Papua and Niger Delta. UNPO has also supported the communities to raise international attention to human rights violations, affecting the Crimean Tatars, the Hmong, minorities in Iran and Pakistan, among many others. Across all our efforts, we advocate for dignity, inclusion, and the right of all peoples to determine their own path. The membership has worked together for 3 decades on a unique platform of international solidarity and knowledge sharing, joining collective protests, organizing high-level discussions, and supporting each other in different activities. Nowadays, the work of the UNPO and the solidarity movement of peoples and unrepresented nations is not only important, it is essential for them and for everyone, aiming for a world where peace, justice, and sustainable future prevails. The world is changing fast. Rising authoritarianism, environmental collapse, deepening inequality. The world is at a turning point, and UNPO's members, resilient, experienced, and visionary, are key places to help shape a future that fulfills everyone's rights, not of only a few ones. Throughout the UNPO work, we're building frameworks and proposing concrete and innovative solutions to ensure equal representation for all, with proposals such as the right to diplomacy and the Declaration on the Rights of Peoples, among others. We work with members, academics, partners, and civil society to reimagine what inclusion can truly mean. Because the future must not be dictated by governments alone. The future belongs to the people, to those who fight for justice, to all of us. Stand with UNPO to defend and empower the rights of the unrepresented nations and people. Visit unpo.org to act, because no voice should be silenced, and UNPO will always stand for the people.